Find dy dx, the derivative, for each of the following functions. Y equals the square root of 4 minus cos x. Well, the first thing we have to do is rewrite y equals the square root of 4 minus cos x as y equals 4 minus cos x to the power of a half. So since we have a power on the outside, we know that this is going to be the chain rule. So we're going to differentiate using our outside-inside rule, or since this has a trig function inside of it, we can use this sentence at the bottom to guide us. So we differentiate the trig function, we keep the angle, so that's the outside, and we multiply that by the derivative of the angle, so that's the inside. So we bring the power down in front, the half comes down in front, we keep the angle, so 4 minus cos x, and a half minus 1 is minus a half. So we differentiated the trig function and we kept the angle. And we multiply that by the derivative of the angle. And we can't differentiate 4 with respect to x because there is no x. So the derivative of cos x is minus sin x, and minus sin x gives us just sin x. So we're going to rearrange things because we were given a root in our question, so we want roots in our answer if there are any. So we don't want to have to the power of a half anymore. So we just have to simplify. So 4 minus cos x to the power of minus a half can be rewritten as 1 over. So the minus gives us the 1 over. 4 minus cos x to the power of positive a half, which can be rewritten as 1 over 4 minus cos x, and the power of a half gives us the square root in front. So then we just multiply out our terms, and another thing that can help is to rewrite sin x as sin x over 1, since everything else is a fraction. So we're going to do top by top, so it's going to be 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by sin x, which just gives us sin x. And then on the bottom, 2 multiplied by root 4 minus cos x multiplied by 1. So really it's just 2 multiplied by root 4 minus cos x, so we just stick the 2 in front of the root. So we get 2 root 4 minus cos x, and this is our final answer.